All right, College Football Nation, let's get into it. The first round of the college football playoffs have concluded after last night. We had one game Friday and the other three yesterday. So let's get into them games and my predictions. Obviously, in the Alabama-Oklahoma game, which was played Friday night, I had Alabama advancing, so I got that one right. And then yesterday I had Ole Miss advance. I had Ole Miss winning and advancing. Ole Miss won. I had Oregon winning and advancing. Oregon won. And then I had my Hurricanes advancing, and they won. So we had Alabama. We had Alabama advancing. So I had Alabama advancing. I had Alabama advancing. I had Ole Miss advancing. All right, let's start over. So we'll start with the 5 seed. I had Oregon advancing, and they advanced. I had Ole Miss advancing, and they advanced. I had my Canes advancing over Texas A&M, and my Hurricanes advanced over Texas A&M. And then I had Alabama advancing over Oklahoma. So in the first round, there was 4 games. I got all 4 games right. So I am 4-0. So I am 4-0 after the first round. So yeah, I am 4. So I am 4-0 after the first round. So let's get into this next round. Going into the second round undefeated at 4-0. Oregon in the second round will play Texas Tech. I am going to go with the Texas Tech Red Raiders in this game. I'm going to go with the Texas Tech Red Raiders over. I'm going to go with the Texas Tech Red Raiders over the Oregon Ducks. And then we got Alabama and Indiana. This is a tough one, but I am going to go with the Indiana Hoosiers over the Alabama Crimson Tide. So yeah, I'm going to go with the Indiana Hoosiers over the Alabama Crimson Tide. And then we got Ole Miss and the Georgia Bulldogs. I am going to go with the Georgia Bulldogs here. And then in the Ohio State-Miami game, it's really tough for me to pick against the Canes here, but as much as I want to pick my team because they are my team and I've always been told never to pick against your team, I'm also smart and I want to do as well as I can do with these predictions. I think Ohio State's just a little bit better than us. If our defense can do what they've been doing the last 3 games, what they did in the first round of the college football playoffs, and our offense can get their heads out of their butt, if our offense played the way they did against Texas A&M, it's not even going to be close. If our offense can do what they did the last 2 games of the regular season, we can obviously beat Ohio State, but I'm still going to go with Ohio State to win this in advance. So there we go, guys. Going with Texas Tech, Indiana, Georgia, and Ohio State. Enjoy the second round of the playoffs, and even though I picked against them, go Canes, it's all about the U.